So just a little bit of an update, basically what I've been working on recently. So I'm developing this extensive course for which is basically going to be about the fundamentals of UI design. And this course is the best course that I can think of basically when it comes to anybody who wants to learn about who's a beginner obviously, or maybe this person is into graphic design at this point and they want to dive into UI design. This is the best course for that kind of a person. But essentially anybody who's a beginner and doesn't have any clue even about remote clue about graphic design, they can still jump into this course and take the whole course and get up to speed. And this is going to be an extensive course where I dive into Figma, and before that obviously talk about typography, design principles, and color theory, all that sort of stuff basically. So yeah, that's the update. Just wanted to share with you guys, and hopefully I'm going to be doing a lot of some exciting videos are coming up as well, and hope to see you guys soon. So keep your support and keep watching my videos, and hopefully please subscribe as well. And hopefully I will be coming out with these new exciting stuff basically. So I have a really nice video planned up really soon, and this is going to be something about how to fix a certain UI and dive into it basically, sort of blind, and coming up with ideas, collaborating with another designer. Essentially, this is going to be something. It's exciting stuff planned, as I said. So that's coming up. Yeah, that's the update, and see you next time. Right, take care.